Hello guys, so you guys know right here I have a Rubik's Cube, it's all solved. So I'm going to show you how to do the Rubik's Cube. So, let's get it. Okay, so first, okay, so you want to, how should I say it? First off, here, let me just get a camera stand. Okay. So first off, you wanna make you gotta scramble your cube. Okay. Then you gotta make three this. Three white. I mean, like this. So don't fill this one. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So I might not explain that much in this video. I might make a new one on how to do it. But yeah, this is just for right now. Here, let me get this. Okay. So you want one white to be here underneath here. So you gotta, to make it fully white, how to do this. You gotta do this and that and that and this and keep doing that. Wait, hold up, I messed up. I was looking at the camera. Okay, oh, it's okay, we can redo this. So, there, I solved white. But bam. Oof, and I have the whole layer. I don't want to do that for this video though, I'm gonna show if your layer automatically goes like this, start doing the skip to the part where I show you how to do the left side, I mean the yellow side. Okay, so I'm gonna do this all again. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do it again. Okay. And if you have one layer, then make that layer not face at you. So yeah. If you don't have any colors like this, two of the same colors at the top of a side, then you'll have to do this 2 times to get the full layer. But if you already have a color, then it will take 1 time. So yeah, to get the full layer. So put your thing with the strip on the back, not facing you, and then you gotta Good? Okay. Okay. So, okay, let's go. To get the layer, you gotta do this, then that, 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 then that. Now you have the full layer, as you can see. Okay, now we're going to the yellow side, and if you had no like colors of the same color at the top of the side, then just do that one more time. So now you gotta flip the cube around, and then you gotta go to do the yellow side. You gotta go like this, and this might take a few times. So okay. Oh, I got it first try. That's good. And if you have any colors that you can just do that too, then do that. Then make sure the color that you just did, put it so you're not facing it, and put the top as yellow. Then you gotta do, okay. Then you gotta do this, then this, and this, and this, and this, and then this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this, and your cube will be solved. See, my cube is solved. So yeah, that's how to. If you didn't if you had white and yellow, and then there's another color that you made. If you couldn't make another color, then do that last algorithm one more time, and your cube should be done, complete. So yeah, the golden jack is out.